Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by entering the exact URL into the Wayback search box or the Save Page Now form. This ensures you target the right page. Make sure to pick the right capture type: snapshot for visuals, full page for linked assets, resource only for files, because that determines what the archive stores. If you need to capture right away, click Save Page Now and watch the progress bar. Once done, note the timestamp and the capture status so you can reference it later. Once you have snapshots, inspect them via the calendar and timeline to find the precise date you need. This helps when content changed frequently. Use the playback toolbar to load different versions and check whether CSS, images, or scripts were captured correctly, because partial captures are common. If you need an offline copy or forensic record, download the work file or save screenshots. Make sure to label exports with the URL and date for easy retrieval later. To finish, verify the archive's integrity by opening images, scripts, and linked pages and comparing them to the live site so you confirm completeness. If a capture failed or shows errors, retry using a different user agent, disable heavy scripts, or schedule the snapshot during low server load. These changes often fix missing resources. If legal or technical blocks persist, use the archive's reporting tools to flag issues, and keep the timestamped link handy as proof of the recorded content.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.